right, guys, we're here to the next one, and this is a centipede lawn that is mowed at a height of, I think I hit it at 325 or 350. So let's watch Q do his thing real quick. Now I'm gonna switch it up. They say I can't go forward. Man, do you, man? Stop playing with the strange from a cane, man. Alright, hope you guys enjoy that, right? And guys, take these videos and just look at techniques and try to emulate, you know what I mean? That's the way you learn. Guys, look at this cut. This is a centipede lawn that we mowed at a height of 3.25 inches in the front, and the back is mowed at, I think he mowed it at 2 inches or 2.75. And that's what we do, guys, okay? Here in the South, centipede grass is mowed extremely low. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice, even cut. Matter of fact, we even hit over there but you know, just to kind of make it look neat. Pretty nice, right? And our domination line. Yeah, baby. You know, we gotta we gotta do our domination line. Nice, right? And so you guys know a lot of people like their backyards cut lower than the front because of snakes. And as usual, Q did the back and I did the front. All right. Yo, nice job, kid. Awesome, awesome. That back look stupendous. All right, have a great one. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.